Okay, what I have here is BrosTrend Wi-Fi 6 extender AX1500 Wi-Fi booster. What does it do? It takes an existing Wi-Fi network and extends it, making it reach farther than it normally could. What I bought this for, however, has nothing to do with that. Allow me to explain. I have a NAS setup in my basement, away from my room on the second floor. Until now, I have been using a power line adapter AX1500, which is rated for gigabit network speed, and all I got was 8 megabytes per second. That's about 67 megabits per second. AX1500 is rated for 1000 megabits per second. I'm sure that you can see the issue I am facing here. I'm not even getting 1/10 of the speed. So this made me reconsider for all different routes. And this is where this kit enters. What this kit does is, well, take a look at the picture I am about to display. I am assuming here that this setup will be at least faster than the power line solution I had. However, I don't think it's going to be as stable as before, since this is after all a wireless connection. So did it work? Well, yes, it did. I am now getting up to 45 megabytes per second. The keyword being up to. It is at least twice faster than the power line solution I had, so this works. But I'm not completely satisfied with this, but this works. Anyway, thank you for watching.